functional isomers. Let's do functional isomers. Isomers with the same molecular formula but different functional group. So there is very easy. Now we will memorize that, okay, sina two functional isomers. Umzekelo, iketone. I-isomer ye-ketone, i-aldehyde. Umzekelo, let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Masithi sinale ketone with 4 carbon atoms. 4 carbon atoms. Okay. So by the name butanone, this one. Then aldehyde will have 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember the functional group is in the first carbon. Singayibeka ekuqaleni inayo no-H la. Ihlala isekuqaleni ke aldehyde functional group. Okay. Now uba singake sijonge lapha i-functional group yalapha kwi-ketone. Oh, let me name 1, 2, 3, 4. This is butanol. So if singajonga ke ngu-apha, i-functional group yalapha ime kanje ngu-C one-double bond O, then sibe no-C ngapha nangapha sibe no-C. Alright. So if singayijonga apha nansi that is the functional group kwesi structure, that is a ketone. Then i-functional group yalapha ke ngoku nansi nansi. So eyalapha nguba ngu-C double bond O, then there is hydrogen there. Now if ungajonga apha i-functional group ayifani. This is the carbonyl group. Carbonyl. Then this one is a formyl group. So the functional group, the functional groups differ here as funny. Then the molecular form, let's count the number of carbon atoms. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this compound we have 4 carbon atoms. Hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 hydrogen atoms. We also have 1 oxygen. Let's check this side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. We have 4 carbon atoms, hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8, and also we have only 1 oxygen atom. Look at this. This is the molecular formula. It's the same, but the structural formula is not the same. Look at the functional groups as funny functional groups alapha nalapha. So another example of functional isomer is when we are talking about the esters and carboxylic acid. So esters, let me quickly draw the structure 1. Let's look at this compound. The isomer for this compound will be ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. So i-carboxylic acid yona in a functional isomer eyi-ester. I-ester in a functional isomer eyi-carboxylic acid. So let's count the atoms. 1, 2, we have 2 carbon atoms. There are no hydrogen atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 hydrogen atoms, oxygen 2. Let's check this one. So we have 2 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hydrogen atoms. Then we have 1, 2 oxygen atoms. There are 2 oxygen atoms, but the functional group here, the functional groups are not the same. Look at this functional group of ester. And a functional group here, ester, but a carboxylic acid functional group, nansi ino-H pha hansi. Yeah, that is for what?